a dish without fire. The name of the dish is rajma salad. For this dish, we have taken ingredients that are chopped tomato, onion, capsicum, carrot, cucumber, rajma, and few drops of mandarin orange. We have taken some tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, fresh cream, salt, and black pepper. In this dish, we will mix all the ingredients, approximately 2 tablespoons each. Now we have added 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we will mix it. Now we have mixed the salad, and to give it a twist, we will take a cone which is made of leftover rotis and nachos which is also made of leftover rotis. Now I will put some salad on these nachos and fill the cone with the salad. This is rajma salad for you. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home.